I remember the day I lost my job, and it was 6 days before Christmas. But my boss didn't know that I was making more money from my side hustle than the money he was paying me for working as a chemical engineer. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategy I'm using to make commissions online. But here's the thing, when I started, I failed. I failed a lot, but I didn't quit. And after of working 1 year with this side hustle, I made my first online commission. The side hustle is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. I don't need to create a product, buy inventory, or ship anything. I just need to find an audience that want that product. Now, let me show you the strategy. Check this out. I'm driving traffic to this opt-in page, and when people click this button, this pop-up is going to appear, and here I can collect a name and an email address. And I'm going to send to them this ebook through email. Then people are going to receive all of these emails that I wrote previously, and inside of the emails they are going to find valuable information and my affiliate links. And if someone buys through my links, I can earn a commission. That's why one of the most important things in affiliate marketing is to build your own email list, because you are going to have an audience that know, like, and trust you. And you can promote multiple products around the same niche. Now, the softwares that I use for affiliate marketing is ClickFunnels. This is for building opt-in pages, and for email marketing I use GetResponse. And I can promote many things. For example, here I'm sending an email about a YouTube video, and here I'm sending to my email list a free training, and I can see how many people open my emails and how many click my links. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.